Welcome to our guide on how to access and view the hospitality information and telecommunications systems report in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. From the top navigation menu, select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. In the subsequent menu, choose Departmental Reports. On the Departmental Reports page, locate and click the Information and Telecommunications Systems option to access the report. Customize the report parameters by selecting the desired period and column views. Click Customize to add new columns to the report, namely percentage column, last year, per available room, per occupied room, and budgets comparison. To export your report to Excel or PDF format, go to the top right corner of the report page and find the three dots menu icon. Click on the three dots to reveal the menu options, and from there, select Export as Excel or Export as PDF. A notification will appear indicating that the report can be downloaded from the Data Export section of Docket. To download the report, navigate to the Data Export section by clicking the Data Export link in the notification. Click the ellipsis menu on the Data Export page and select the Download option. And there you have it. You have now learned how to access and view the hospitality information and telecommunications systems report in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.